Good morning, everyone. It's my 36 or 75-day challenge, and today I didn't wake up on time, but because again that same reason. Yesterday I had already completed all my study part, so because of that I had like no reason to wake up. But woke up at 4:30 and I slept again. I know it's a bad habit, but I will not going to repeat, for a longer time because nowadays I feel like cold. Because of that, I slept again. I feel cozy and warm in my bed, so that's why. I know it's a discomfort thing. I should follow my discomfort thing, like all the lecture I have gave in myself loss of time. I know, but sometime like it's happened, right? So what we can do? So it's not a big deal because I'm not facing any problem with my studies, so that's why. So I wanted to share a thing. Actually, I've been researching about IELTS almost for 2 days now. Today is the last day. I will research and I will finalize everything. What is the paper pattern and everything? What I have to do? How month it will take to prepare for IELTS? Then after that I will apply. So what I found from my side is it's very easy exam. For example, if you are an advanced speaker, then it's very easy for you. You can crack anytime. But if you are a beginner or intermediate speaker, then it will take time at least for 6 months, 4 months, like that kind of that much period time. So, for example, for me, I assume myself I am around B1 to B2 level. So, what I am going to do is I'm going to give myself at least for 4 5 months. Then after that, if I will get satisfied with myself, now I'm an advanced speaker. Now I can apply for IELTS. Then after that, I will apply. Otherwise, I will not waste my money and time. So that's what I discussed with my friends, and I also like did my analysis. So that's what I found about IELTS and PT both. And I selected why IELTS because they're like they both are expensive courses. So instead of doing PT, why not IELTS? Because IELTS is more famous than PT. So that's why I selected IELTS, and it's one of the famous exams uh, for like checking my level and for my job preference also. So that's why I'm doing. Otherwise there is no purpose. I don't want it to go abroad, so that's why I'm applying for. No, I don't want it to go any other countries. I just wanted to crack this exam so I can say I have cracked IELTS, and it would be also good for my resume for my job preference, right? So that's why I'm doing this. So that's it. Now I don't have anything to say, so let's stop here, and otherwise I will just talk anything rubbish thing, right? So that's it. See you tomorrow.